Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to glow multiple LED in parallel using NPN transistors. Step 1. Place a breadboard and a battery on a flat surface. Step 2. Connect the breadboard's power rails to the battery's positive and negative terminals. Step 3. Place 2 NPN transistors on the breadboard. Connect a resistor to one of the transistors as shown here. Step 4. Connect the collector leg of one transistor to the collector leg of the other. Connect the base leg to the other transistor's emitter leg. Also, connect the emitter leg with the negative power rail as shown here. Step 5. Use two jumper wires. Connect one to the second transistor's base leg and another wire to the positive power rail. This will help us glow the LED with touch. Here, we are using a push button to show the working. Step 6. Place a few LED on the breadboard. Connect a resistor to one of the LED as shown here. Connect the cathode of the LED to the cathode of another LED and the anode to the anode of another LED. Repeat this process with the remaining LED. Connect the cathode of the first LED with the transistor's collector leg and the anode with the positive power rail, as shown here. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.